So welcome to Substrate Developer Hub. There's a few tutorials. So I went through the first one, which is create your first Substrate chain. So what it does, launch and interact with your first Substrate chain in this minimal end-to-end guide. So I was using Ubuntu. If you're using macOS or Windows, I didn't do it. So the 3 steps in this tutorial. First one is to set up your computer. So we will set up under the Unix ecosystem. So second is to use the node template project to run a substrate-based blockchain. Third, use a front-end template project to interact with the template node. Okay. So how to set up your computer? So you open your terminal and you type this curl. Second one, you have to clone the node template, which is located in GitHub. So we will take a look. Okay. And the important one is what it is right in here, because there was a few errors when I was compiling the node. The error was about the nightly version, and the good nightly version is this nightly 2020 10 October the 5th. But so you clone. After the cloning, you type source cargo environment, and you go to the, you can skip this two one, you can skip it now. Maybe you can do, no, yeah, I think you can skip this statement, and this statement. You go to your to the directory substrate node template, and don't type cargo build release. Type this WASM build toolchain nightly, this version cargo build release, and it will run with no error. Then you have to install the front-end template, which is based on Yarn and Node.js. Same, you have to clone the GitHub repository, and you go through the Substrate front-end template. I was struggling. There was some struggle when I was installing Yarn, and I found a solution on the forum that tell me that there was a specific instruction. I hope when you will install Yarn, there will be no difficulty. So you type yarn install, and you run your first node local blockchain with this target release. So I've made a video, it's here. It's my Linux machine. Okay, no, it's not a video. So the blockchain will look like this, and you have to start your front end Node.js with yarn start, and you will go to this address, and you will see your blockchain.